Hello and welcome to the Edu Leaders Show on the Edu Bulletin, where we bring you the latest insights and trends from the world of education. I'm Jessica, and I'm excited to guide you through this episode. We have an esteemed guest joining us, Deepika Kapoor, Principal of Indian Public School, Amritsar, underscored the importance of equipping students with life skills beyond academics. Now, let's move directly into our interview. Over to you, Rumani. Let's hear what ma'am had to say.
So good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Edu Leaders Show. Today we have with us a very special guest from the education circuit. She is Ms. Deepika Kapoor, Principal, Indian Public School, Amritsar. So welcome to the summit, ma'am. How's your experience being here?
Thank you so much. It's wonderful experience, and it's not only the first time I've been here. I've already attended two another workshops of this conferences of yours.
Right.
It's really a wonderful experience meeting all the different people from our stream, very distinguished guests, very distinguished educationists. Really good to have them, and really good to know that how they are inculcating varied kinds of curriculum in their school. It is really a good takeaway for us, for our classrooms, for our children, for our schools. Really nice.
Absolutely. Thank you, ma'am. So first of all, like we have been talking a lot about life skills, and especially the NEP also promotes it. So can you tell us about any specific initiatives that you have been taking at your school?
Yes, of course, ma'am. In today's world, what I have observed, be it any school or anywhere you go, basic, if we talk about mannerisms or life skills such as preparing food for yourself,
Right.
If we just missed out our button in the t-shirt or the shirt, we don't know how to fix it.
Right.
So these kind of things, somewhere we are running after the academic part, like we have to complete this chapter, that chapter, we have to score good. But yes, for life skills, we are missing. We are far away from the mannerisms. Boys do not know the chivalry. They are not dependent. They are just dependent on either moms or the females at the households or in the society, in fact. So we have inculcated many activities like from the scratch. Like my children, they go to learn about pottery. We make sure that they go to the carpenter for the lessons.
Okay.
We make sure that they, at least the children of 5th or 6th standard, they know the flameless cooking. At least they are able to feed, they become self-dependent, they are able to feed themselves. So these kind of things, we are doing it.
Yeah, that's great to hear, ma'am. So we often, forget about parents when it comes to the education system. We concentrate on students, teachers. So just let us know, like your school, how it is making sure that parents are equally involved in the education process.
See, it's a routine when it comes to school. We have regular sessions, orientation sessions, PTMs with the parents. That's a regular thing. Apart from that, what I'm doing is, like, the ideas itself come from the parents only. One day, one very fine day, one of the parents came to me,
Right.
and he said, "Ma'am, aapke na, I was shocked to see children in the parking lot. Mera bachcha aaya, usne mujhe wish kiya, hello papa, good afternoon. Why other kids are not doing to the other parents?" Maine kaha, see, that's your parenting style. We are teaching equally, and same thing to everybody. It's just the initiative has to be taken from the parent side. So instead, I made him the leader in my school, and I told him, why don't you come to one fine day in the morning assembly and guide children? And other than that, on the day of one PTM, I organized a seminar by him in my school.
Wow.
And it actually had a really good impact when we listen from the voices who actually belong to your genre, your stream. It really is an impactful thing.
Wow, that was a wonderful, experience. I'm sure that's one of a kind.
Yeah.
So anything else you want us to talk about? Any message to the educators out there?
Yeah, definitely. Today's summit is on global citizenship, making teachers and children global citizens.
Right.
And for that, this is really need of an hour. Somewhere we are very careful about our cultures, our people, our home, everything of ours. But we do not know where do we stand when it comes to the global world. So global collaborations we are talking about. When we are collaborating with the outer world, like we are sending our children to the other nations, they are coming here, or with the use of technology based or AI tools, when we are interacting them, we are getting to know that world is one, learning is same everywhere. It's just the ways are different, and we have to adapt the positive things from others as well, and we have to share ours also. It's not just the content sharing with others, it's like you get to know their cultures, you get to inculcate a sense of compassion in your children.
Absolutely true, ma'am. So thank you so much for being here and answering our questions and enlightening us with your thoughts and thoughts and views. Thank you so much.
Thanks to you. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us for this enlightening discussion. We hope you found it as insightful and inspiring as we did. Save the number 72170701000 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news updates and inspiring interviews from the Edu Bulletin.